Listen up. Your excuse for eating badly at work? It ends today. You're a professional, so why settle for sad, soggy sandwiches? Great food isn't about hours in the kitchen, it's about smart choices and fresh ingredients. Take control of your lunch, no more letting your meal manage you. Forget bland, diet food. I'm talking vibrant, powerful meals you'll actually crave. This is about performance, not just weight loss. Today I'm giving you 3 recipes to transform your work week. Fast, flavor-packed, and designed for unstoppable energy. Restaurant-quality results, ready in minutes. No more excuses, let's get cooking. Today on SlimSync, 3 fast Western meals for busy professionals who want to lose weight, without losing time. First up, we're diving into the Mediterranean steak jar bowl, a meal prep game changer that's as delicious as it is convenient. The best part? There's absolutely no cooking required, making it perfect for busy weekdays or when you want a healthy meal without the fuss. Begin by making a simple, zesty, homemade dressing. Whisk together extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, a sprinkle of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Pour this vibrant mixture right into the bottom of your mason jar. This step ensures every bite is infused with Mediterranean flavor, and the dressing stays separate from the greens until you're ready to eat. Next, add a hearty layer of cooked quinoa or protein-packed chickpeas. These ingredients not only soak up the tangy dressing, but also provide a satisfying base that keeps you full for hours. Quinoa brings a nutty flavor and a boost of plant-based protein, while chickpeas add creaminess and fiber. Now, it's time for crunch and color. Dice up crisp cucumber, juicy cherry tomatoes, and a bit of red onion. Layer them into the jar for a burst of freshness and a rainbow of nutrients. These veggies not only add texture, but also pack in antioxidants and hydration, perfect for keeping you energized through the day. For that unmistakable Mediterranean kick, sprinkle in some briny Kalamata olives and a generous handful of crumbled feta cheese. The olives bring a salty, savory punch, while the feta adds creamy richness and a tangy finish. Together, they elevate the flavor profile and make every bite feel indulgent. Now for the star of the show, steak. Use pre-cooked steak, slice thin for easy layering. This is a great way to use up leftovers from last night's dinner, or you can opt for high-quality deli roast beef if you're short on time. The steak adds lean protein, iron, and a satisfying chew that makes this salad feel like a real meal. Finish with a generous handful of fresh spinach or peppery arugula. These leafy greens stay crisp at the top of the jar, away from the dressing, so they're perfectly fresh when you're ready to eat. Seal the jar tightly, and just like that, your lunch is prepped and ready to go. When lunchtime rolls around, simply invert the jar over a bowl and let the contents tumble out. The dressing cascades over every layer, coating the grains, veggies, and steak for a perfectly dressed salad every time. No soggy greens, no mess, just fresh, vibrant flavor in every bite. With every forkful, you get a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. It's a complete meal that fuels your body and keeps your mind sharp, whether you're powering through meetings or heading to the gym after work. The real magic? You can prep 5 of these jars in under 30 minutes on Sunday. Stack them in your fridge, and you've got grab-and-go lunches for the entire week. No more scrambling for healthy options or settling for takeout. Say goodbye to sad desk salads and soggy sandwiches that leave you hungry and uninspired. This is a lunch you'll actually look forward to. Fresh, flavorful, and satisfying. The Mediterranean steak jar bowl is high-performance fuel. It's lean, energizing, and keeps you feeling full and focused all afternoon. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone who wants to eat better, this salad has you covered. Just grab a jar, toss it in your bag, and you're out the door. It's the ultimate way to optimize your time, your health, and your daily performance. No excuses, no compromises. Next time someone says healthy eating takes too long, show them your Mediterranean steak jar bowl. It's proof that you can eat well, save time, and enjoy every bite. This isn't just diet food, it's smart food. It's about fueling your body and mind with real ingredients that taste amazing and work for your lifestyle. So, grab your jars, gather your favorite ingredients, and take back your lunch break. You deserve meals that are as vibrant and dynamic as your day. The Mediterranean steak jar bowl is your first step toward better lunches, better health, and a better you. Make it once, and you'll never look at lunch the same way again. Ready for the next dish? Let's keep going. Your journey to smarter, tastier meals is just getting started. Up next, we're making smoky paprika chicken lettuce wraps, a dish that's hot, savory, and bursting with bold flavors. The best part? You can have these on the table in just 10 minutes, making them perfect for busy weeknights or a quick healthy lunch. These wraps are a game changer for anyone looking to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Start with ground chicken for maximum speed and convenience. It cooks quickly and absorbs all the delicious spices, making it the ideal protein for this recipe. Plus, ground chicken is lean, high in protein, and a great alternative to beef or pork if you're looking to lighten things up. Generously season your chicken with smoked paprika for that signature smoky depth, along with cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. These spices work together to create a rich, aromatic base that's both warming and satisfying. Don't be afraid to adjust the seasoning to your taste. Add a pinch of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Heat a skillet over medium-high and add a touch of olive oil. Sauté the seasoned chicken, breaking it up with a spoon until it's browned and cooked through. The aroma will fill your kitchen, and you'll see the chicken take on a beautiful golden color as it cooks. This step only takes a few minutes, so keep an eye on it and stir often for even browning. Once the chicken is cooked, finish it off with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. This adds a burst of brightness and acidity that lifts all the flavors, balancing the smokiness of the paprika and the richness of the chicken. Instead of bread or tortillas, use crisp lettuce cups as your base. Iceberg and butter lettuce are both perfect choices. They're sturdy enough to hold the filling, yet tender and refreshing. Peel off whole leaves, rinse them well, and pat them dry so they're ready to wrap. Spoon the hot, fragrant chicken mixture into each lettuce leaf, letting the juices soak into the crisp greens. The contrast between the warm filling and the cool lettuce is what makes these wraps so satisfying. Now, it's time for toppings. Sprinkle on diced red onion for crunch and sharpness, and chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Add a dollop of creamy Greek yogurt for coolness, or a swirl of sriracha if you want a spicy kick. You can also add sliced radishes, shredded carrots, or even a few avocado slices for extra texture and nutrition. Each wrap is a handheld meal: hot, smoky chicken, cool, crisp lettuce, and vibrant, fresh toppings in every bite. The textures and flavors come together for a truly satisfying experience. Whether you're eating at home or on the go, you'll feel energized and light, not weighed down by heavy carbs. These wraps are perfect for lunch at your desk, a quick dinner, or even as a party appetizer. They're as versatile as they are delicious. For meal prep, cook the chicken ahead of time and store it in containers. Keep the lettuce leaves separate to maintain their crunch. When you're ready to eat, just assemble and enjoy. No microwave needed. It's a smart, portable option for anyone with a busy schedule. Portion control is effortless. Grab 2, 3, or 4 wraps depending on your hunger. You'll feel satisfied and nourished, not stuffed or sluggish. It's a meal that adapts to your needs. These wraps are packed with lean protein, low in carbs, and loaded with flavor and nutrients. They're a colorful, nutritious meal that supports your healthy lifestyle and keeps you feeling your best. Who says fast food has to be junk food? With recipes like this, you can enjoy the speed and convenience of takeout, but with wholesome, real ingredients that fuel your body. This is real food, cooked fast, delicious, nourishing, and perfectly aligned with your goals. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. So next time you're tempted to order takeout, remember these wraps. They're just as quick, far more nutritious, and every bit as satisfying. That's 2 meals down, and 1 more to go. The best is yet to come. Let's dive into the final recipe and finish strong. Introducing garlic lemon salmon, the ultimate brain food that's as impressive as it is effortless, and the best part, you can have it on your table in under 10 minutes. This dish is a game changer for anyone who wants to eat well, feel energized, and stay sharp, even on the busiest days. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that support focus, memory, and clean, sustained energy. It's the kind of food that fuels your brain and body, helping you power through meetings, workouts, or creative projects without the crash. Start by patting your fillet dry to ensure a perfect sear. Drizzle with a touch of olive oil, then rub in a generous amount of minced garlic, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and plenty of fresh lemon zest. The garlic infuses the salmon with bold flavor, while the lemon zest adds a bright, zippy note that wakes up your taste buds. You can air fry or pan-sear your salmon. Both methods work beautifully. In just a few minutes the salmon turns golden on the outside and stays tender and flaky inside. The aroma of garlic and lemon fills your kitchen, making it feel like a gourmet restaurant. While the salmon cooks, build your bowl with a base of cauliflower rice for a low-carb, fiber-rich foundation. Add a handful of fresh mixed greens for crunch and color, and toss in some steamed green beans or asparagus for extra nutrients and a satisfying bite. As soon as the salmon is done, place it hot on top of your bowl. The heat from the fish gently wilts the greens, blending all the flavors together and creating a warm, nourishing meal that feels both light and filling. Don't forget the finishing touch, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple step adds a burst of brightness and ties all the flavors together, making every bite taste fresh and vibrant. In less than 15 minutes you've created a balanced, fat-burning, brain-boosting meal that looks as good as it tastes. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. This bowl is the perfect combination of healthy fats, lean protein, and low-carb vegetables. Clean eating at its absolute best. Every ingredient is chosen to help you feel your best, stay full longer, and support your goals. Want to make it even easier? Prep ahead by seasoning your salmon the night before and keeping your veggies ready to go in the fridge. When lunchtime comes, all you have to do is cook the salmon and assemble your bowl, fresh, fast, and stress-free. It's faster than waiting for delivery and infinitely better for your body and mind. You're in control of every ingredient, every flavor, and every nutrient. Eating for weight loss and peak performance doesn't mean settling for bland or boring food. With a little creativity, you can enjoy meals that are both nourishing and exciting. This garlic lemon salmon bowl is gourmet level, yet so easy to make. Every forkful is packed with flavor, texture, and nutrition. Prioritize your health as much as your career, because when you fuel your body right, you're sharper, more productive, and ready to take on anything your day throws at you. Garlic lemon salmon isn't just a meal, it's a statement. It's a stunning, speedy bowl that makes you feel like a CEO, fueling your ambition and your well-being. With 3 simple meals, steak jar, chicken wraps, and this salmon bowl, you have a blueprint for success, no matter how busy your schedule. The steak jar, chicken wraps, and salmon bowl, these aren't just recipes, they're your new go-to strategies for eating well and feeling amazing. Your excuses? Gone. No more, I don't have time. No more healthy food is too hard. Work guts. You've got this. Step into your kitchen, take control of your health, and show yourself what's possible. Let's wrap this up and get you eating like a boss. 3 incredible meals, 0 excuses. We've proven that powerful, delicious food doesn't require hours, just smart choices. These recipes are your toolkit for a leaner, more energetic life. Prep a few minutes, invest in yourself, and perform at your best. This is just the beginning. Success is built on small, consistent actions. Here on SlimSync, I'll help you cut through the noise and get real results. Like, subscribe, and stay lean, energized, and in control. One fast meal at a time. Now get cooking. Get.